Today, we're laying out a 30-day plan to finally ditch paper logs for a digital platform. Think about it. Paper logs can't warn you about missed maintenance or generate quick client reports. A digital system, a CMMS, solves all of that. It's a total game changer. And you can do it in just 30 days. You don't even need consultants. Let's dive in. All right, here it is, a simple 4-week plan to get you completely digital. Let's go. Week 1 is all about building your foundation, and that means getting the data right first. First things first, build your asset register. This is the absolute backbone of your new system. Next, pick a platform, map out your building's hierarchy, and import that brand new asset register. All right, let's move on to week 2. This is huge, scheduling for compliance. Start with the must-dos. We're talking mandatory maintenance for fire systems and lifts. It's non-negotiable. These are legal requirements. Missing them puts you at huge risk, especially with local authorities. Once the legal stuff is scheduled, add manufacturer recommendations for HVAC, pumps, and electrical gear. Week 3 is all about your team. Let's get the system configured and train the people using it. First, you'll configure your workflows. This makes sure the right person gets the right alert instantly. Then, train your team right on their devices. Just use this simple walk one, watch one method. We're in the final stretch, week 4. It's time to go live and ditch the paper for good. And here's the key takeaway. You're no longer managing from memory. You're managing from pure data. At the 30-day mark, pull your first report. You'll see your ratio of reactive to planned work. This report is huge. It's the baseline that shows your new system is already paying you back. 30 days, that's all it takes to transform your operations. Your data is talking. Are you listening?